Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into this advanced asynchronous scraper, make sure to subscribe so you never miss my latest Python project or tutorials or any kind of video that I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. All right. So right now, as you can see on the left hand side, we already have scraped all the JSON file from the website. This is the website that we are trying to scrape. Okay, but right now we are only going to scrape 100 products because the client wants to prove or wants to check if it is really scrapable. Okay, so we're going to scrape 100, right? 100 products from this website. And before we run the program, we're just going to explain to you the um, the elements or the script that was encoded on this project. Okay, the first let's start with the imports. Okay, we have the async IO right here and the AI of the async IO HTTP, which is powered the entire asynchronous engine behind our ultra fast scraper, and the JSON. Right, let's save. Let's save the result in JSON file. OS, it handles the file checks. Pandas, right? Pandas, we're going to structure our data. RE, or the regular expression, cleans the ingredient text. And the counter, it identifies the what you call this, the most common ingredients. Okay. And below, as you can see here, let me, uh, 23. Okay, I'm going to make the font a little bit smaller. Okay, okay. Now here, this one is the dictionary defines the countries users can scrape. Okay, that they can choose on this on the terminal. Each country name is paired with it's called is the Open Food Court or Open Food Facts code, which is for France, FR, United States, US, Germany, DE, United Kingdom, GB, Spain, ES, Spain, well, and Spain, if you're going to expand this one, ES, that's España, okay? Italy, IT, okay? In this one, the print available countries. Now this one, we loop through the countries list and display a clean numbered menu. Okay, I'll show that to you. Let me show that to you right now. Okay, okay, here you go. It will going to display this menu, and then you have to select from 1 to 6. Although there's a lot of country in the on the website, there are tons actually complete country on their website. In yeah, that's we're just going to open this one out. In this one, the selection input, this one, enter the country to scrape. That's what I'm going to. We're going to take the user's input, and then this one, it's the IDX equals to INT selection minus sign 1, right? This one, the accept, right? This one is the inside this try block. We cannot, you convert the selection into a valid index and then extract the matching country. If anything goes wrong, then we default safely to France. Okay, that's the but the like I told you, the countries are really there's a lot in that website, right? There's a lot of countries in that website that you can choose. But this one for this demonstration, we're just going to default the country to France. Okay, and then this one, the async def fetch underscore pages or page, right? This function fetch the single page of products using asynchronous HTTP, and then this HTTP, this URL that you are seeing here, right? This is the OpenFoodFacts API URL. That's the base URL, and then that's where all the parameters are being being handled. Okay. Now the async with session.get, right? We send a non-blocking request. If the server responds with the status of 200, we return the list of products to our, on our end. Okay, and then the accept pass, right? This one, as you can see, it's silent error. So if there's an error, trace back or like for instance 404, right? If there's any kind of that on the screen, it will not, because it will keep on trying. Okay, all errors are completely silenced. This guarantees no traceback. Not even once. Okay. Yeah, this is the async scrape underscore country, and then this function launches up to 40 pages request to in a parallel scraping, so it will going to be really fast. Okay, as you can see here, max page 40. Then the tasks, fetch page, session page, page size, country code. Okay, everything in here. We create a task list, one per page, and then there's a page weight, async io dot gather. It's going to run them all simultaneously, making the scraper really fast than traditional blocking requests. Okay, in this portion of the page of 4p in pages, if p product dot this whole code here and here, we merge all valid products list into or until he reach 100 times. Okay, and then this is the product async io dot run. This line starts with async io event loop and run the scraper, right? And then this is the def pd dot data frame, right? This one we convert everything into a clean pandas data frame. In yeah, well, I'll show that to you later on. We're going to delete all of these, okay, manually. Okay, we're not going to use the terminal. And then this one, the health score. Um, hold on, let me health score. Oh yeah, health score row. I'm sorry. That's the df uh, small, open close bracket scrape underscore country, right? We apply the scoring function across all products. Okay. Now this one, the extract ingredients. mm, Hold on. The extract ingredients is here. Oh, the health score. I'm sorry, the health score. Yeah, that's the one that we are going to use to we have to make we need to make sure that the score are being rated by the scraper. Okay, it gets the function assigned each product a numerical health score based on NutriScore, Nova Group, sugar, salt, and saturated fat. Okay, that's the one. Okay, and then this extract ingredient is the one. Okay, this is the extract. We clean ingredient stack using regular expression RE by removing parentheses and lowering the case. Okay, and then next will be the ingredients. Uh, this one, the ingredients underscore freak. Okay, we then count how often each ingredient appears across all products. Okay, that's the one. Okay, and then the summary append. The summary append. Yeah, this one. If we, for instance, we scrape the country France and we get all the details, okay, and then we scrape again for Spain, Italy, it will going to append, or it will not going to delete the one inside the append. On the next, it will going to the next row on the if that's a CSV, it will going to be in the next row. Whatever the last it in here, for instance, the last data in here is the Spain, right? It will go on the next line. Okay, and then for each product, it will going to extract nutrition field and prepare them for averaging. Okay, and the reason why I'm showing this code to you, because just to prove to you that I don't have any placeholder here. There's no CSV file in here where all the data are currently saved. Although it's currently saved on the on this one, but as you can see, it's 11.1 gig. All right, and it will not going to use. We're not going to use that. We're going to use the live data directly from that website. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and delete these files. Delete them. Okay, this one. Going to delete them. Okay, going to close this out. As you can see, we run the file. We're going to select uh, number 6, Italy. Okay, it's going to scrape going to extract the data using the API URL. Okay, all right. This might take a little while. It's only 100 products. Okay, so that we're not going to overuse, or we're not going to get a flag by the country, or maybe by the website. As you can see, it's already scraped product underscore live dot JSON, ingredient underscore frequency dot JSON, country underscore comparison dot JSON. So as you can see, it's updated, even though we already removed all the files in here earlier. Okay, so if we're going to scrape another country, let's run the file again, and then let's do number 4, United Kingdom. But while we are waiting for that data, let me show to you. As you can see here, it's scraped Italy. Okay, and the ingredients are here. Okay, all in Italy. Okay, everything in here are selected, or okay. So it gets the data from the United Kingdom, 100 products. And if we're going to go to the country comparison.json, it has United Kingdom. Okay. And then if we go to the ingredients frequency, there's also United Kingdom. It appended. Okay. There goes the product underscore live. It also append. It will also append the data of United Kingdom. Okay. All right. So this one, just like that, we built a fast, silent, error-proof, asynchronous scraper. If you found this helpful or useful, right? Hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments about the channel, just comments down below. And also, please, if you have any suggestion what product or what project that you want to build, just let me know. Send me an email or comments down below. Until the next video. Thank you very much.